All right, I'm gonna show how to add a table view using tabbed application. Let me go ahead and start doing that. Tabbed application. I'm gonna call this Segway drink mixer. Okay. Create. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop a table view in the first view. So we're gonna go ahead and do data views, table views. I have to zoom it up in order to do that. I'm gonna go and sync the property of this table view to the header file of the first view. Where is the storyboard? Alright, good. We're going to call this table view. While we're at it, I'm going to add a property. It's going to be called drinks. It'll be an NSMutable array because we're going to have a NSMutable array of drinks for the table view. Alright, that's that. So now we're going to go to the implementation file of the first view. Okay. And since we're not actually adding a table view, and a table view controller, we actually have to use delegates and data source in order to do that. So we're going to go ahead and add that delegate and data source to the header file of the first view controller here. UI table, and then UI table view delegate. And there's two required methods that we need to use. It's actually for the view delegate. Nope, it was for the data source, I'm pretty sure. Here we go. Okay, so now I'm going back to this here. That's the first view. Copy and paste these guys. We're going to implement them. Same thing with this. Alright, so the first thing we do here, we're going to create, we're going to instantiate the property here. And this, actually, you know what, we're going to do it the new way. Alright. Okay. We're going to make a mutable copy because we need to do that. Because this here, it actually makes an NS array, but we need to have a mutable copy of that so it's consistent with the property that we have here. Alright, so we did that. Now we're going to go ahead and here at this, we're going to make the count of the rows. How many rows do we want to have according to how many objects we have in that array. So return self drinks count. Okay, I know. So that's that. I gotta finish this up quick. Here we're actually going to copy and paste the code that's dealing with recycling of the cells every time the cells are not present on the screen. I have that right here. Okay, and then the code that we need in order for this array to appear on the table is going to be the following: cell table text label text equals self drinks object index path row. Okay, the last thing we need to do, we need to actually go back to the main storyboard, and we're going to go ahead and sync everything. Then we need to sync the data source and the delegate, and then we're going to sync this back to the table view, which is synced already. Okay, cool. So this should actually work. Okay, it's not working. Let me see why it's not working. That's correct. If you did load table view, that's correct. Oh yeah, I need to return a cell here. I don't know if that's a problem though, but let's see. Yes, that's it. And that's it. That's how you add a table view to a tab bar application using storyboard, using segues. Actually, did we use segues? Yeah, we did.